Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you all to the video lecture series on the course Unity 3D. Before going to start about this Unity 3D, let us understand about two cutting edge technologies that transform the way of interacting with the digital and physical worlds, that is AR, VR. AR stands for augmented reality and VR stands for virtual reality. Let's begin by understanding what is this AR and VR. Augmented reality. You might have experienced while doing online shopping, like you will be selecting an object and you got a feature of checking whether this object will fit into your room or how it looks into your room. This is how you used to select your objects and you used to purchase the products. Sometimes the object will look good or not, right? So this is where this augmented reality, this feature is called as an augmented reality, where it overloads your virtual objects. Your virtual object is your, you can see in the image, it's a chair which is overlaid on your real live images. So augmented reality means this. You can take some more examples, like you're adding filters on your photos. You're doing some shopping, how it looks on you. You will be applying the filter of that one and you will be seeing how it looks on you. So in general, you can know like real world plus virtual world is nothing but your augmented reality. What is the use of this technology is it enhances the perception of reality by adding interactive layers of information. Now let's see about virtual reality. Virtual reality, on the other hand, it creates a completely immersive experience by simulating a 3D environment where the users can interact with them. A simple example is, suppose if you want to dive deep into the sea, physically you may not be doing that. Also, you want to walk on the surface of the moon. How you can do that one? You can create a virtual environment which is not existing at all, and you can have an experience of you are being there and you are experiencing the environment. So it creates a new world which is not existing. So virtual reality simulates the environment. So you can touch, you can feel, you can move around, and you can experience everything you can see. These are all the simulations that can be added by using the virtual reality. So you need to have a specific devices which are called as VR headsets and controllers to interact with the virtual environment. Let us see some highlighted differences between augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality is a mixture of your real world and a virtual world, whereas virtual reality creates entirely a new world. A digital layer is imposed on the virtual physical world, whereas for virtual reality, computer technologies are used to create simulated virtual world. You can differentiate between virtual world and real world in augmented reality, but in virtual reality, it is hard for the users to differentiate whether it is real or virtual. User is not cut off from the real world if you are using augmented reality, but in virtual reality, the user is completely immersed in the artificial world. That means you are cut off from the real world. One, you only require some compatible smartphone devices like laptops, phones, tablets, like that. In virtual reality, you need mounted devices like HMD or some additional equipments. Now let us see what are all the applications of augmented reality and virtual reality. First application is healthcare. In healthcare industries, you might have seen in movies or in real time how they can use this one. So augmented reality aids can be used by surgeons by overlaying critical information during procedures. So it helps us in doing the process before directly or in real doing the operations. In virtually, they can do the operations and understand the severity of the operation. Second application is education. So AR VR can also be used as a powerful tools for education. They enable interactive and immersive learning experiences, like making a complex subject more easier by enabling it be accessed and engaging. Medical students can perform virtual surgeries also. All the practical knowledge, like if two chemicals can be combined together, it can be an explosive, right? So instead of doing if really you can have a virtual environment where they can do the chemical practicals, then they can explore the results of that one. Next application area is military training. So the military people will be trained virtually, having the obstacles and how to overcome that one, and how to use the map and all. All these military people can also be trained easily by using this AR and VR. Next application is e-commerce. How in e-commerce it can be used? Just now we had an example. You can, before purchasing the object, you can see how the object can look into your room, in your room, or in a particular place, or you can select a cosmetic, whether it is how it is looking on you. Another application of AR VR is entertainment, where most of the games nowadays we people used to play using, which includes AR VR technologies. So VR provides unparalleled experience in gaming. So where it will allow the players to step into a completely new environment and interact with them. This will enhance the gaming experience. With this, I hope you all got an introduction and difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. Let us all meet in the next lecture. Until then, thank you.